Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for stopping by, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Right, today we're going to be building this paper horse. Really easy steps to make it. This paper horse I've just put up on the screen now should take you about 10 minutes to make. It's not difficult, although it looks quite complex. But let's just jump straight into that. Before we do, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and if you've got any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Let's jump into it. Right, what you need is a square piece of paper. I'm using A4. What I've done is I've got an A4 piece of paper, folded it along those axes there to get a square, trimmed off the bottom, which is here, and then I'm ready to begin. So once we've got this fold here, open it up and turn it around and do the other fold. So you've got two lines running across the diagonal axis. Then flip the paper over and then fold it in half, and then turn it around and fold it in half, and then what you're left with is that. Next, what you want to do is you want to turn it back over, grab the two side pieces, push them together, and then fold it down nice and squarely, like so. Paying particular attention to the middle to make sure that the middle's nice and flat as well. Next, you want to fold these flaps over to the center line, so it looks something like this. There's the first one. And there's the second one. Just like that. Now turn the paper over and do the same from this side. Fold these into that center line. Turning the paper around, we want to fold this big flap at the top down to the middle. Open it up and then fold again. Like so. Now open everything up like that, and then what you want to do is you want to grab a pair of scissors and you want to cut this line here up to the bottom of this flap here. Like so, and then the same on the other side. So again, cut from the bottom here up to this flap here. like so. Next, you want to fold those flaps you just cut up. Need a bit more of a trim there. Right. Out like so. And then fold in half like so. And the same with this one. And then turn it over. And then do the same on the other side, bringing the flaps up and over, like so. And fold them down flat, like so, and then fold into the middle. Like so. Right, next what you want to do is you want to get this here and fold it out like so, and then fold it back and flip it through on itself. So that it looks something like that, and then just tuck that bit under. And there's our horse's head, and then with the tail, what we want to do is we want to out there make another fold like so. Once we've done that, we'll open it back up again, and then from the side here pull the tail down and through, so you've got something that's like that. The angle you want is it pointing down, so you might have to force it down a little bit to about there. It's sort of a human eye thing, wherever you want your horse's tail to be, what angle. Well guys, there you have it, your horse. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and if you've got any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Good.